Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nix Academy. In this video we are going to talk about how to convert a hexadecimal number into binary number. Actually I already have taught this lesson, but I got another trick to convert hexadecimal to binary, so I am going to teach you. So let's start with this example, and the example is A9. This is a hexadecimal number which is going to convert into binary. So what is the first thing to do is to convert a with a numeric value. As I have already taught you that in a hexadecimal, a stands for 10, b stands for 11, c stands for 12, and so on. So according to this, a will be converted into 10 and 9 will write as it is. Now one more thing to remember, that is 8421, 8421, which is going to use with these letter 10 and 9. Now the question is how 8421 comes. Actually it is the form of 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. I already have taught these how it comes. So now we will use only the evaluated value of this value. Now we will check that which of these number gives the value of 9 after adding, and we got 8 plus 9 gives you the value of 9 after adding. So we use 8 and 1 to evaluate the value of 9 into a binary. So what we do, we put 1 for 8 and another one for 1, and the rest of the value will be 0. Actually which number will give the output of 9, that will written as 1, and which is not gives, that is written as 0. So we will write 1 0 0 1. Now let's use the same pattern with the 10. Now we will check which number will give the output of 10, and now we got 8 plus 2 give the value of 10 after adding. So we use 1 for 8 and 1 for 2, and another will be 0. Now we will concatenate these two binary number. It gives you 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the binary value of what? A9 hexadecimal answer. So now we will take another example of converting hexadecimal to binary number, that is 3b7 hexadecimal. It will be convert into binary. So now we will write 3 7, and for b we will write 11 because a is for 10, so b is for 11. Now we will write 8 for 2 1 for 3, another 8 for 2 1 for 11, another 8 for 2 1 for 7. Now we will check which of these number gives 3. So we got 2 and 1 gives 3. So we write 1 1 0 0. Now we check 8 2 and 1 will give 11. So we write 1 0 1 1. And for 7 we got 4 2 1. So we write 0 1 1 1. Now we concatenate these binary number. So we don't write the left value of 0. We will start from double 1. It will gives 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. This is the binary of hexadecimal 3b7. This is the answer. I hope you like this video. So if you found it is useful, you should also share this. Thank you.